Bago maklak ko na Tagay di mo gayang bago natin magkagkanya na pinabinta sa performance. Pero may, isa ka lang na yung birbirong ti araw di kang talong. Alam mo, ayan, syempre thank you so much po sa ating birthday celebrant at pili po ninyo ang last ride ng Leisure Hub para i-celebrate po ang inyong birthday. Ayan, palapakan naman po natin yung ating birthday celebrant. Eh, syempre palapakan niyo rin po ang inyong mga sarili, especially nagiging Villa Carmen na may apo dito may dito yung makikismis lang. Ayan, so inuulit ko po sa lahat na nag-iikot po. Ayan, nakikinig sa ating kantahan. Huwag po kayo mahiyang lumapit at pumasok, umupo dito sa ating dance hall. Dahil libre lamang po ang sayawan. Ang pag-upo ay first, wala pong entrance. Ha? Yan. Kung kayo po umay dito yung dance hall tayo, umay kailangan po, masudig kailangan at enjoy kayo ang tingin. Itikanta at sala ay of course. Kung kayo imed po, makikanta ka niya, may mabalin-bed lang ta. Yeah, syempre hello po sa lahat ng live viewers po natin sa Facebook page na Last Ride ng Leisure Hub and sa Facebook page po na Sonarity Away Band. Kung may mga requested song pa po kayo, may mapabay na po ako masalagyan, ibagay lang po na yun kaya yung request sa kanta. And syempre, welcome po sa mga RIC po na Barangay Salvacion na DJ Isabela. Hello po, Pita. Thank you so much.
Pasok po kayo, marami
Yes.
po po dito sa
Oo.
loob. Oo nga.
Yes po, din kayo na nga po. Ayan.
Eh, pwede po kayong mag-request.
Request. Okay, request
Oo.
ako. Yan, syempre, hello po sa mga maganda ng uniform.
Wow.
Yes, oo, sana
Talagang
all.
nag-effort.
Oo, nag-effort sila sa kanilang uniform.
Eh, dito sa mga gating. Ayan. Hello po, good evening po. Welcome to last
Ayan, eh, syempre, hello po sa mga nasa kabila ngayon, naka-live din. Ayan, syempre, ito yung sumunod na po kasulatan kay Ipay na na po, dili RICQ taga-Barangay Salvacion Isabela. Sa tayo po sa runod, dili request po, dili taga-Mandela, nagtipunan, and hello po yung mga taga-Pamplona, Cagayan, wow, wala yun ang kanilang mga pinanggalingan. Okay, so, thank you po mga request, kaya Ipay ko na po yung nag-request. May isang follower kay Apo from Pamplona, Cagayan.
Apo, naganda yung nagkakapanda.
Hindi ka no, bypass road kayo naman.
Okay.
Yes.
Bypass road.
At yung request mo nga bypass road. Thank you so much.
And shout out to Kapitan Roberto Galagbacan ng Buenos. Hello po.
Buena Vista.
At sana na lang ang tao.
Oh, nagsak ko. Happy-happy ni Wami, oh. Almost heaven, West Virginia, original thing, Shenandoah River. Life is all that we, young and now me, growing like a weed, that nothing road, bypass the road,
Anong rock is no boy?
about one road. Hello, all my memories that are on my isolation, strangers didn't know what to say. And I see, standing on the sky, yesterday's moonshine, it was in my eyes, so I had to know. I'll leave you alone and shout it out. Sorry's in the road. That's gonna do all. Deep down, all. And you know, love, come on, go. I heard a voice in the morning as she calls me. The radio reminds me of our home far away. And running down the road I get feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Animal get there, and I know bakit nga raw Marites nga raw Marites nga raw nagkaroon on Ijay na on galaw love, lamang Anang-araw, laring-araw, mga tag-araw, sa bumerang araw, laban, on, ijay lang, on, love, lamang Anang-araw, hey, may araw, may sabay araw, siyang ang araw, may sabay araw, osang araw. Kung ako'y mag-aasawa, ang pipiliin ko, ang pipiliin ko, alam namang gagamaw Natundok siya, tudok ako, tudukan kami, matutukan kami, hanggang may ako ang mali-mali. Ako'y mag-asawa, pipiliin ko, pipiliin ko, anak ng basketballista, nag-dribble siya, shoot ako, shoot ang galing, shoot ang galing, hanggang mabigat ang ulay. Ako'y mag-asawa, pipiliin ko, anak ng vlogger. Nakontak siya, kontak ako, makontaktan kami, makontaktan kami, hanggang tumagiti. Ako'y mag-asawa, pipiliin ko, anak ng puli. Pumutok siya, pumutok ako, mayamit ako, may putok ako, magputukan kami, hanggang ating gabi. At kung ako naman ay mag-asawa, pipiliin ko, alam ng kabalyero. Kabalyo siya, kabalyo ako, magdadadadadadad kami, hanggang Baguio City, and fight little monkey, happy donkey, mama ko lang ko rin, the doctor said, kabilang mong tatlong nakatalo na kayo, ayaw mong nakaupo, subukan yung tumayo, and finally little monkey, happy donkey, mama ko lang ko rin, the doctor said, kabilang mong tatlong nakatalo na kayo, ayaw mong nakaupo, subukan yung tumayo, I wanna be a baby, a thing inside. How holy carnival we got to take. Was open, 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 was open. And finally the one happy happy. Makatulad na rin ito, pero said, pagbilang mo tatlo, nakatalo na kayo. Ayaw pong nakaupo, subok kayo, tumayo. I wanna be a baby, inside. How holy carnival we got to take. Yung masip, yung kanyaw, inanan mo na kamo, at kami nga nagkakote, tigit natin, sumpot na, ayaw.
Talagang salaga. Eh, kaya...
Taga-ano kayo, madam? Anak kalabasa.
Kimalabasa.
Kimalabasa, Aurora, diba? Oreno, po 47 na ito talaga, nailaban na tabla.
Ilaban.
Eh, syempre, ito po sa yung isang family. Taga-ano kayo, sir? Rojas Isabela. Hello po sa inyo. Baka natin po siya sir kanta ni Nana, nagiging pa na. Nagiging kanta na, nagiging tatang, di ba na mga ararabing, ganda kayo maluwag siya. Ay, siya na.
Okay ba yun? Panse na lang? Panse. Ayan, sumayaw tayo lahat. Tumaluloy ka man ano, ipanulit mo man mga isang pagkatao. Paparangin man kayo pinapapala, mag-aaway lang, parang mabalansa. Dahil takdet mo, iyan ang takdet, dahil naman makapapagaro. Arapat na kami, kasi naman ang samo, may kapunta lugali, nakuha ko ka ng ano. Nakuha ko ka naman, panulit ka man. Umigising ka man, di mo lang ipahinga. Nakuha ko ka naman, umigat ka man. Italiano mo man, nag-aaral ka. Bansa! Medyo kapag na, Florida, nakawit ng buhay. Amok ka din, hindi ka makita. Hindi ka makita, mas masay piling at alikukit, kurot ko bendura. Mga dating nas, nakasasarita. Nakapapata, nakula ang itin mo. Magalino, ang kebab-kebab ang puso. Pag
Yeah, thank you so much. Yan ko. Kayo ba po nag-request sa adalay nga po dito, sekretarya po iti last time natin, Manang Beauty Gonzales. Di ba pick up aja eh? Gano'n eh. Kita, pick up. Hanggang pusa? Hindi lang alam mo.
Tiger!
Amor ko pa. Ano mga kasala? Walks? Ay, LA walk? Ay, kakataka? Oo, sige. Pagbigyan natin yung isang guest singer natin. Sayang mo yung kanyang biyahe. Kasi nanggaling pa po siya ng Batanes. Oo. Kanta ka? Halika na. Sayang naman yung outfit mo, anak.
Marunong! Tinturado to.
Ano kanta? Sway? Ada, diba? Mamaya magkuha tayo tawag dito. Ano tawag doon? LA Walk? Yes! Yes, po sa mga hindi nila talaga! Running sounds to play, dance with me, make me sing. Like the ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Like a flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, sway me. When we dance, we head away with me, stay with me, stay with me. On the floor, you got my eyes to see only you with the light fade. When we say I'm going, we are silent long before it begins. We realize only you know how, sway smooth, sway out. I'm dancing to you on the floor. Here by my eyes to see only you with the light fade. When we say I'm going, I can be a sound long before it begins. Baby, we love only you know how, sway smooth, sway out. Everybody sounds play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lady on the shore, hold me loose, sway low. Like a flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, sway. When we dance in the rain, sway with me, sway with me. I'm going softly, hold me close, make me sway. I'm going to the ocean, I'm the shore, hold me close, sway more. Thank you. Thank you so much, guest singer, all the way from Batanes. So doon sa kabila, may magiging singer din galing po ng opera. Di pa ka, no, lakay na. Natututo na nila kayo na, yung madam. May katuyin sir.
Ipasubo na.
Oh my God.
Ayan.
Ipasuko na nga, pasuko ang damdaman. Mabait.
Okay, sa letter so that LA work na pangalan.
Ayan si nanay, gusto ko sa mga nila. Hindi na kami. Halina kayo nanay. Tara na.
You take the world, you never want my girl. You can tell the things you're doing wrong. Or you can tell your friend, you're sorry for a bit. And just a body on your phone. You can tell your arms, go back to the farm. You can tell my feet to meet the floor. Or you can tell my lips, to tell my feet you overrated, all you can know. Don't tell my heart, make it break me hard. And just don't let me understand. If you take my heart, make it break me hard. You might be open to despair. Tell your heart, I know you're upset. Or you can tell my cook about my lips. Or tell your private ways, cookies and tell my lips. You never really let me anyway. I tell them how to meet, tell them to keep me. I'm somewhere right now, some matter day. Or you can tell my eyes, do it for my mind. You might be waiting out on me one day. Don't let my heart, make it break me hard. And yes, don't let me say. Or you can tell my heart, make it break me hard. It might be open to me. Don't tell my heart, make it break me hard. And yes, don't let me say. If you tell my heart, make it break me hard. It might go over to this end. Don't tell my heart, make it break me hard. And yes, don't let me say.
Hanggang kaya
If you
kumakaral.
tell my heart, make it break me hard. You just go over to this end.
Alright, so ready, Tom? Di ba kibig? Di na mabis. Sumayaw kayo. Sayaw! Awan tutikmaan, unsa ay ayawan. Ilhalay ko lamang, sisiwi o naanak. Nakato o kumayo, tukayan na imayo. Isong ang maayo sa tuwing sisig ko. Bulbulan ko Sumurang noong kumaliw Kasako ng paa mo Ang programang ito ay ito sa iyo ba? Placenta. Mo'y bisita, ikaw isubot na Nang itlog sinuwa, lugod yung maamo magpapagayo Pagnawaw kumayo sa tuwing sisig ko Sisig ko, sisig ko Lulawaan, bulbul ko Sumulang noong kumaliyo Kasako ang pao Sisirin ko, sisirin ko Noon maraan, bulbul ko Sumulan noon Kasako ng pao Kasako sisig ko
Ay, isa pang native song.
Alright, so may kami pala po ulitin cover song. Yan, so pakininunaan niyo po sa kahit naman sumala naman. And syempre, inulit po sa lahat po naman nag-iikot dito sa Nazareth Leisure Hub. Ayan, so meron pa po tayong mahigit isang oras na tutugtog. Kaya inanayahan po namin kayo lahat na pumarito na po kayo sa ating dance hall. Dahil makakasama niyo po kami hanggang alas 8:15 ng gabi.
And I love you more each day. And there's no one can take my heart away from you. Will you please love me, baby? Love me the way I do. Promise me, yeah, you love me too. And if you ever say goodbye, then I'll cry, cry, cry. I just can't live alone without you in my life.
Nandiyan po, pagkakita po ni Lalagyan, pagpagmuna na po ni Abaliat, Kawamito, Kadumido, na nagkapubay ako iti probinsya, iti Nueva Ecija. Kawawin sa amin ako, nagiti nakakabagyat, nagagyan ako, ni Domingo Family. May kaititoy na po na nakamasakit. Madakaya kayo na ako, nagiti, Domingo Biyan, Okawa. Imaman, hindi nabit ako sa amin nito.
Without you in my life, I give you all my love, and I love you more each day. And there's no one can take my heart away from you. If you please love me, baby, love me the way I do. Promise me, yeah, you love me too. Promise me, yeah, you love me too. You know me tonight, that you wanna let this stay, that she only comes to pay all her flaws. Sure, I must have cried, that her love for me has died, that she found somebody else. I suppose, baby blue, baby blue.
to myself by the banks of the old river where our love forever
Ayan sila po sa mga bagong dating.
can forget my pretty bride. Roll on, roll on, roll down toward the heaven. It shines when a star starts to shine.
Mabuhay.
By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Roland. That your hands holding on by the same stars above you. I swear that I love you. You are my pretty bride, and you are my pretty bride. Tayo dito sa aming dance hall. Marami po tayong mga bakante upuan. And of course, pwede po enjoy ang sayoy dito po sa last rain ng Leisure Park.
Today I passed you on this street, and my heart you at your feet. I can't help it if I slip in love with you. Somebody else is by your side, and she looks unsatisfied. I can't help it if I slip in love
maraming salamat. So, syempre, ulitin mo, welcome po sa mga bagong dating po na bisita mo natin. Hello po. Taga saan po kayo mga ma'am, sir? Gamo, Isabela. Oo. Ano nga raw doon? Ayan, so magandang gabi po sa aking lahat. Ayan. Sa amin po talaga magkakasama, ako po talaga most punctual. Yes. Ever since the world began. Simula umpisa. Oo. Amuno niya. It's better late than never. Yeah. Ayan. Ayan. So, inulit ko po sa lahat po na nag-iikot po dito sa Regnar. Ayan. Open pa po yung ating dance hall hanggang alas 8, alas 8:15 nyo pa po kami makakasama. So meron pa po tayong 1 hour na magsasayawan, magkakantaan dito po sa ating napakagandang dance hall. And every Saturday and Sunday, live na live po kami dito sa ating dance hall. Yeti the woman with Inagwa and of course Miss Aliyah Agorba and DJ Buddy, Amazing Sasa, and syempre Inagwa. Ayan, nagkita ka mo ako, baka nati-request yun, makanta. O, iba kayo ka, tirahin na. Well, iba kayo. No, ano pa, sakitan tinatong yun. Natin kayo yung kanta. Yellow Rose ka no, Diyaw Arosa.
Ano kaya Delqua, Black Rose?
Anyo kaya ni April Rose? At dati April Rose May.
Ano, hindi ano na ano na Rose ito na.
May among de Rose Vinegar na alsem.
Rose Vinegar?
Nag-alsem.
Nakita sa ulit niya.
Nagaroon.
Nagarasawa.
Karayan? Ipakan mo ubabo? Ano nga pa mo ubabo? Dahil naman din ako rin kasama na pensionado, Jerry Watt, kasi kawin mo.
Ano ko mamayin mata? Kasaka mo na si Kanete, makikuha kinasreg na.
Kasaka mo lang sasawot ni may 1 milyon, ni may 1
nagbayak mo kising kawin na giant na kasada tayo bubulan na nagpasasamang taglaw na ako.
Alright, sige, play nga po natin yung request mo nila Yellow Rose.
I woke this morning, imagine my surprise. On my pillow lay a single yellow rose. The smile of when I'm ready to go, the tears in my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you let me hear alone. And you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Did you know that yellow roses mean you love someone forever? Did you know they say
So, parang ulit! Ako, parating. Ako. Nagkasama na to, nagkasama yung open na to, at napitin na din ito. Naka-style ako ng kanatubig.
Mapapawisan ako na baby na marami na payen ibig na ipagan na payen ibig mo mo yeka nakatatago na kahit sumekita hindi liw-liw ako. Digigil pa na pensionado tayo digigil na makamay request.
Well, ang kita nagiging ko. At pension, US citizen di may salita.
Di may sa gagapo ka na ita, nurse di ka ka, head nurse.
Nurse. At di may sa nagapukara na.
Di may sa retired principal.
Well, principal.
Di principal na naunod.
Naunod. Like yung
Ito, inakayano ito, dito tayo kwa, US Navy. US Navy.
Trabaho na.
Umuna nga daw na namin ikanda.
Apa yan?
Maturog mo kagugubaan. Nung nakita
Well.
model ito yung shampoo.
Kanya ka shampoo.
Ha?
Kanya ka shampoo.
Gugu.
Kanya ka kauna nga shampoo. Niya, betul.
Okay, cacaman pa. Ako.
Bang murmure.
Well. love is better. I take my heart.
I'm so young and you're so old. This my darling, I'm told. I don't care just what they say. Cause forever I'll obey. You and I will be a free. As the birds are in the breeze. Oh, please stay by me. By your heart. Looks like when you hold me close. Oh my darling, you're the most. I love you, but do you love me? All the young can you see? I love you with all my heart, and I hope we'll never apart. Oh, please stay with me, Diana. Oh my darling, oh my lover, tell me that there is no other. I love you with my heart. Only you can take my heart. Only you can tear apart. When you hold me in your loving arms, I can feel you all your charms. Hold me darling, hold me tight. Squeeze me baby with all your might. Oh, please stay with me. It's no other. All of you with my heart. Only you can take my heart. Only you can tear apart. When you hold me in my heart, I can feel you in all your charm. Hold me darling, hold me tight. You squeeze me baby with all your might. Oh, please stay with me, Diana. Oh, please, Diana. Dahil ako nabati dito sa lugar ni Kaya nagatubangan. Dahil mabayan ako matagakirangan. If you love you, gonna live. Let me kiss him all the time. Alright, wait! Let me love you, Carmelita. Let me kiss you all the time. Must have it for some affection from your direction that I deny. Let me love you, Carmelita. You don't know that you're true. It's not by the way I'm pressing. My heart is bursting to love for you. Even more I will tell you that it isn't what it is. I'm a man woman, it's only you want we. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just a better kiss and that. I will bet my bottom pencil on your sister. Look you to me. This is what I will tell you. That I need to write a kiss. I'm a man woman. It's only you want please. So let me love you, Carmelita. Just a better kiss and that. I won't bet my myself, I know it's all. Look into me. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just a better kiss and that. I won't bet my bottom myself, I know it's all. Look into me. Did you want to ever tell you? by the sea. I'm a man, you are woman, it's only you want to wanna queen.
So let me love you, Alberto. Nakakunalatag mo. Agram tamugi mo. Tago mo. Anak ko. Yeah! Yes, so once again, happy fiesta! Happy Santa Cruz! Happy fiesta! Ayaw na dyan.
I'm so young and you're so old.
Sa balik.
I don't care.
Sa balik.
Oh, I'm not a fool, darling, I love you, pretty girl. You make and you make me cry. Boy, if you leave me, I'll surely die. Darling, there will never be another, cause I love you so. Don't ever leave me. Say you'll never go. I will always want you for my sweetheart. No matter what you do. Oh, Carol, I'm so lonely. And darling, there will never be another, cause I love you so. Don't ever leave me. Say you'll never go. I will always want you for my sweetheart, no matter what you do. Oh, Carol, I'm so lonely.
Dito na po dinigibusan di programa nga pauluan,
Ti babae.
di babae na natinag di akdan.
Ano babae?
At sumarunan na po di programa nga pauluan, di palasan, kababa, di saksakan.
Pakta. Sige. Upo kayo. Kasi naman ako tinakapitong di ba isa kabakit. Di ba yung na nakakas.
Kasi naman ako di nakapigot, iti lakay nga mga kwarta,
Babalik ka di ako nga.
itirinag yun, itakarayan.
Okay, balansin natin.
Hindi na ba